sometimes alert us as a conditions. I just want to explain that how to make a conditions in R4. Okay, let's start our session today. If you want to create any WebI report, same story, you need to go to a rich client. SAP BI platform client tools. There you have a all BI client BO client tools. Okay, if you want to create a report on top of universe, please select the universe. Then enter your BO username and password. Every developer have a separate username password in the real time. If you are connecting with your from your system, you just need to enter your username password. If I am connecting from my system to create a report, I will enter my username password. Every client have a separate username password. You just need to enter that username password. Once you enter your username password, if you want to make a report, please drag and drop required objects and create a report. I'm just dragging and dropping and creating a report called as year-wise, quarter-wise sales revenue. And click on run query. Click on run query. This time, the report will create with the one vertical black in the same, in the same tab. If you want to create one more black in the same tab, you just need to go to data access, new data provider from universe. Let's select the required universe. I'm selecting same universe. And this universe I'm selecting year-wise, quarter-wise, quantity sold. Now I have a two blacks with the two queries. I have two blacks with the two queries. Now my requirement is today I have a data for today I have a data 2004, 2005, 2006. My customer is requested to break that black into three blacks. 2004 one black, 2005 one black, 2006 one black. And the second black I have a 2004, 2005, 2006. My customer is requested to break the first black but not the second black. They want to break only first black but not second black. That time what you need to do is you need to apply a break in the first black. How you apply a break, you just need to go to format or might be in the analysis IFO. There you have a concept is called as in the break. You just need to click on add break. When you click on add break, it subdivides your first black into sub blacks but not second black. When you see second black is as it is, but according to each year, here you have a 2004 one. Pressing report is fetching 2007 and 2008. Again, as it is. Second black is as it is. This we call as the break. A break is a black level grouping. It subdivides a particular black into sub blacks. If you want to subdivide both the blacks into sub blacks, let me remove this break. When you remove this break, then black will be as it is. If you want to subdivide both the blacks into sub-blacks, that time what you need to do is take a common object, sorry, at that time you need to use a concept is called as the section. Section. Break is basically to subdivide your black into sub-blacks. Section is basically to subdivide all the blacks into sub-blacks. For example, if you want to subdivide only one black into sub-blacks, that time please go for the break. If you want to subdivide complete report into sub-reports, for example, here you have a one report. In the report, you have two blacks. If you want to subdivide complete report into sub-reports, that means you need to subdivide all the blacks into sub-blacks. That time you need to go to section. You need to go to section. Go to report elements. There you have a section. Then insert section. Based on year, just to select the year, click on OK. This time it will subdivide your complete report into sub-reports. The definition for the break is a black level grouping. It subdivides desired black into sub-blacks. Section is a report level grouping. It subdivides complete report into sub-reports. They will ask sometimes, please create a master detailed report. That time you need to create a report with the required number of tabs and blacks. Then later apply a section. The main report will be subdivided into sub-reports. That report we call as a master detailed report. Sometimes they'll ask us to create a master detailed black. That time please don't apply section. You just need to apply a break on desired black. That we call as a master detail black. This is a way you can subdivide your black and report into sub reports. This is a break and section. I hope you are comfortable with this. And next is I just control Z means undo. Now I don't have any section. Now my requirement is I need to highlight a data of black one. If the value is greater than 2879303, if the value is greater than 2879303, I want to put green color. If the value is less than 2879303, I want to put in the red color. My customer requirement is they want to highlight a data of the report based on the particular value. If the value is greater than 2879303, they requested us to add a green color font and background some color, and border they requested to highlight a double border. If the value is less than that, they requested us to highlight with the red color. For that, in earlier version, we have a concept called as the alerters. In current version, there is a concept called as the conditions. For making conditions, you need to go to format. In the format, you need to go to, analysis. Let me check. Analysis. There you have a conditional. Just click on conditional, and there you need to click on new rule. First you need to make a rule. Now my rule is, let me just give the name of the rule. I'm just giving a name called as exceeded, and cell content. I'm creating a rule based on sales revenue. And operator is greater than, and operand is 2879303. Then you want to apply a format. Select the required format. Text. In the text I want a format called as something column, bold, and 18, and font color I want a green, I applied green or some color, and that is my text background. Background. I want to apply a skin. In the skins, I have a lot of skins. I have a lot of skins. If you want whatever the skin you want, you can apply. If you have any image file, sometimes customer will give a file. That time you can take that particular file, browse that particular file. That is your background image. The background image you can browse here. If you have any background image in your local system, so that also you can add as you can add to the your that also you can add to the background of your cell. If you have any image URL, or if you have any image file, you can use. If you want to change the background color, if you want to set some background color, please select some background color. And in the text, I want to make a bold. Already it is a bold, and I want to make impact. Okay, impact bold. And background, anyway, you selected this particular skin, dots, and border. You want to put a double border or single border. If you want to put a plain or dotted, if you want to put a thin or medium, whatever you want, you can select. If I select dashed, or if you select plain, whatever you want, you can select. Anyway, let me select that. Add a new rule. I want to make the rule name as not met. And again, you need to make a new condition. Sales revenue less than 2879,303. In format, I want to put text as impact and with 18, impact 18, and color I want to put same red color, and background I want to put some skin. I applied some skin, and in the skins you can select a particular skin. And border, if you want to put, you can put a border. There you can select plain, and if you want to put thick borders, and if you want to add this particular border to the cell, yes, take a particular border. And color, if you want to change, you can change the border color. I want to put a border color green. Click on OK. Again click on OK. You just clicked on OK, but you haven't applied that particular condition to this particular block. If you want to apply this particular block, just select that particular column, go to display, go to conditional. There you have a formatting rules, not met, enable not met. That time that particular format will be applied for that particular column. If you want to apply same format for the second column, please again go to format rule and apply both the rules if you want. If you want to apply one rule, you can apply whatever you want. If you want to apply same rule for the third column also, you can same way you can apply. You can apply your formatting, and then it will give a, see, because you change the size, that I know the width is not supporting. So if you want to increase the width, you can increase the width of the column. Okay, it increases the width of the column. This is a way you can highlight your data in the report based on the requirement, and you can create multiple number of alerts for one tab, one block. On the same you can apply for the second block also. If you want to apply for same for the second block, you can go to format rules, exceeded. It will apply exceeded. It will take only the same row index and it will apply. So this is a way you can create. If you don't want to apply for this, then let's remove this. There is a way you can create multiple number of alerts. Later, customer, once they opened a report into the BI Launchpad. They can apply and they can enable and they can disable the required conditionals. If they don't want, still they can disable this condition. If they want, still they can enable the conditions. They have a this we called as the color codings. This we call as color codings. Yes, today we discussed about breaks and sections. Break means it subdivides a particular block into sub-blocks, but the second block as it is. Section means it subdivides all the blocks into sub-blocks. And we talked about conditional also. Condition means it is a format, it is a alerter. Alerts means it will highlight the data. If you want to highlight a data in the block, first you need to make a condition. Based on that condition, you can highlight particular the values in the block or report, that is by using condition. If you want to write any condition, you just need to go to conditional, new role. In the new role, you